Hi guys, I'm back with a new topic. In this video, we will discuss about COC1 install and configure computer system. But before that, let me show you how to create a bootable device using Rufus. So all you need a Microsoft Media Creation tool, Rufus setup from their websites, a USB drive of at least 4 GB or more and a proper internet or Wi-Fi connection on a PC. Before starting the process, make sure to back up or copy any important files on a USB drive if have, because all files will be deleted or formatted during the media creation. For a fresh start, open up the Media Creation tool and click on the Accept button. On the next page, select Create Installation Media and hit the Next button. Then you have two options: download the Windows 10 directly to the USB drive. It will download Windows files to the USB drive and make it bootable. Easy, but it's for one time. Or you can download Windows 10 ISO file to make a bootable USB. For multiple, it has less chance of failure than the first option. Select ISO file and continue. Select the path to download the ISO file, then hit Next. It will take a few minutes to download the ISO, depending on your internet or Wi-Fi speed. Finish the setup after downloading, then plug the USB drive into your PC. Open up Rufus. Your USB drive will auto-detect in Rufus. No need to select if you have any other drive plugged in, then make sure to select your USB drive on Rufus. Select ISO as boot selection. Just browse the path where you downloaded the ISO, then open it up. Now label your USB drive with any name, then in the file system select NVS. Click the Start button to continue making Windows 10 bootable USB with Rufus. Congratulations! You just created your bootable media. Now you can install Windows 10 to any supported computer. Pro tip: hide the Windows files inside the USB to use your drive as a normal flash drive. Hiding Windows files helps to keep those files safe, and now your media is bootable and you can use the rest of the space for your normal works. Now let's start to install the operating system to the computer. First, insert your bootable media. In order to access BIOS on a Windows PC, you must press your BIOS key set by your manufacturer, which could be F10, F2, F12, F1, or Dell. Now we prioritize the bootable drive you inserted, and press F10 to save and exit. In this video, we will install Windows 10 in the client computer and Windows 2008 in server computer. Now, we will configure the installation of Windows 10. Accept the terms and click Next. Click Custom. And this is the disk partition. Later I will teach you how to separate storage. Let's skip this part since this took too long to load. Press Enter to finish the process. In a few moments, I will teach you the configuration of computer client, so pay attention or take note if needed. Click Skip. Click Skip for now. You will write the name of the computer based on the instruction of your teacher, and click Next. Skip this password. Click Accept.
Hanapin mo. Hanap ko ang bebe mo.
Now we start with the configuration.
Inubos yata ni Jen eh.
Let's first adjust the time and settings.
Yan. pusa, inubos mo pagtapon. Inubos mo pagtapon. Wala nang anak si Chinchin, isa lang dapat. Tinira mo.
Let's turn off the firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on an organization's previously established security policies. At its most basic, a firewall is essentially the barrier that sits between a private internal network and the public internet. We are going to turn off the Windows firewall because we will join domain later.
Baka nagsampo na sila. Walis na sila mag-nila.
And now let's configure the network and sharing settings.
Anak ko.
Turn on all the settings here, except for the protected sharing. Let's add the miscellaneous icons here in the desk.
Lapin mo. Ano na? Pagkalap mo, tapon mo dun ha. Kapalinis ko lang. Binas ko tayong sahig. Sinunutan pa.
Desktop. Just right-click the desktop and click Personalize.
Ha?
And click the themes. Choose the desktop icon settings. Then check all the box and click Apply. And go back to the desktop. Now we're going to install application software. Let's install first WinRAR. WinRAR is a powerful compression, archiving, and archive managing software tool. With WinRAR, users can compress or archive multiple electronic files into single and significantly smaller size folders. Click Install and OK. Next, let's install Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a suite of applications designed to help with productivity and completing common tasks on a computer. You can create and edit documents containing text and images, work with data in spreadsheets and databases, and create presentations and posters. Now that we've fully installed the MS Office, I will teach you how to divide partitions. First, search the partitions in the search bar. When referring to a computer hard drive, a disk partition or partition is a section of the hard drive that is separated from other segments. Partitions enable users to divide a physical disk into logical sections. For example, allowing multiple operating systems to run on the same device. And now that we open the disk management, we need to open the calculator to divide the partition. All you have to do is divide the total storage by 2, since we are going to find the 50% of the storage, and multiply by 1024 since 1 gigabyte is equivalent to 1024. After that, make it a new simple volume. And you are done. Now we rename the computer. Just right-click the PC and click the properties. Change setting, then click the change and rename the PC. Then press restart. After the restart, we need to open the local user and enable the admin account. Right-click the PC and click Manage. Select the local users and groups and click User. Double-click the administrator and uncheck the Disable Admin account. Click Apply and OK, and you are done enabling the administrator account. And lastly, we install a driver to the computer.
Kita po kayo.
Why do we need driver to the computer, you ask? We need to install a device driver every time we attach a new hardware device with our computer because the device driver helps the computer to connect with the hardware device like keyboard, mouse, monitor, and etc. It also contains codes that helps the computer to function the hardware properly. You can also install device driver through online, and I think it's better to install drivers online rather than offline. And now we are done doing the COC1. We hope you learned many things from this video. Thanks for watching.
Oo.